Hi, welcome to this cleaning channel. I'm Genevieve. I live in a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment that I share with my mom and a cat. Now, you think 2 bedrooms and 1 bath would be plenty of room for 2 people, but most days it feels like we're living in a shoebox. We're constantly cleaning, keeping the clutter to a minimum is nearly impossible, and we're always trying to find inventive ways to be organized. We've lived here since 2008, and since we can't afford to move, even though we really desperately want to, we've decided to make the best of it. And now you're coming along for the ride. So let's get started with this apartment tour. All right, so we're starting in the living room. This corner here is what I call my summer desk. Both my mom and I work from home. I work from home all the time. My mom works from home 2 to 3 days a week, depending on the week. So this is called my summer desk because it's in the living room, which is the room that has the main air conditioning. Then we have my reading area, which is a big old mess right now, and the TV. Then here is the couch, which is old and dingy, and we want a new one. Then there's the cat trees, which are right by the deck door. And if we go over here, this is our front door. This has all of our movies in it. This is our coat closet, and also where we organize, and it's not really organized right now because we're working on it, but this is where all of our holiday decorations are and any other extra storage like footstools. Also where our recycling is, and our shoes. We're still technically in the living room. There's a full view of it. Now, as you can see, we're in no way minimal livers, and honestly, that's fine. This is the way we like things. As you can see, we also like our statues and knickknacks. And while that doesn't help with keeping the place clean and decluttered, we are not going to sacrifice the things that we enjoy just to, have more space and have things be more clean. So that is one of the challenges we have. So we're moving from the living room. This old dresser is getting gone. I got a new dresser, which if you'd like to see that new dresser in the process of getting it, I have a vlogging channel, which I will link in the description that you can go check out. But this is going away. But then here's the cat toys. They will come from the living room into the dining room, which is really not a dining room. It's just kind of a table stuck in the middle of the floor. And then the kitchen, which is tiny. This is our pantry where all of our food is. Then this is our tiny kitchen. Basically just stove, fridge, garbage, and dishwasher. That's basically it. These doors over here are where our washer and dryer are, which is not ideal, but that's what the apartment is built like, so that's what you deal with. Then we come down here to this hallway where we have the bathroom. I should have turned on the lights before I started, but yeah, vlogging is not a science. So here's the bathroom, very tiny, nothing spectacular. Then we have the hallway. This closet right here is like towels and things like that. And then go down the hallway. We have my mom's room. I'll show you my room last. We have my mom's room, which this is her big dresser. Things all over the place on the wall and in every corner you can think, because it's just the way you have to live when you live in such a small space. This is her bed, and this is our little boy. Mischief. Yeah. He always has to have his Foxy on Grandma's bed. My mom has started organizing some things with these cubes, which I think look great. There's not a lot of clutter because everything's in the cubes. But it's still a challenge to get things where you want them and make them, accessible. She has an air conditioner as well. Not as powerful as the main one in the living room, but she does have one in this room. And then this is her work from home desk. More cubes as well. And then her closet is the only actual walk-in closet in this apartment, but even so, it's so filled with stuff because there's just no room. We have drawers upon drawers of stuff. We have mattress or comforters, that are vacuum sealed, and even that's not saving space. Boxes of stuff. It's just, there's stuff everywhere because it's just such a challenge to figure out how to make it work. And then coming back out in the hallway, we go into my room. Now this is my bedroom, my office, my studio, and it's the cat's room. So it's very cramped. So come in here. This is the new dresser, which again, you can see the process of getting on my vlogging channel with my TV on it. This has made things a lot easier. It's a lot cleaner than the old one. My bed, I like stuff. You know, there's just no way around it. I like stuff. I like collectibles. I've got snow globes and stuffed animals and DVDs. This is my nerd corner. I love this corner. This is my favorite corner in the whole house. You know, it's got Star Wars and Supernatural and Doctor Who, and then this is just my absolute favorite corner in the whole place. Then you come over here and we got this rolly cart that I got from a client. I own my own business as a book editor, and this came from a client as a Christmas present, so that really helped, but it's still really cluttered. And again, I like my stuff. I like my decorations. This is my desk / studio. Some books that I have worked on, as well as over there that I'm trying to find a better way to display. Then this is my writing desk, which again, everything is just messy and decluttered already. So you guys are going to see a lot of cleaning. This chair always gets filled with just junk. You know, clothes that we want to get rid of, clothes that, you know, I just have not put away, bags. It's always covered in stuff. And then we have the fan, which actually should be on, but I turn it off when I vlog because it's loud. There used to be shelves up here, but that doesn't work because of the cat box, which is not great that is in my bedroom and I'm bringing that in, but it's the only place it can go. Cat's food, cat supplies, and my window. So it's really not a big space in the slightest. And let me show you my closet. There is stuff in front of my closet because I was starting to pick up my room yesterday, and it's just the only place some things can go. So usually I just shove it forward to get into my tiny little closet, which has stuff, clothes. I did declutter my clothes recently over my vlogging channel, so that's good. Then I have collectible backpacks and stuffed animals. It's a very, very tiny closet. It does not allow for much space. And then you just gotta shove the stuff back. And then there's this tiny little thing, which is actually getting moved soon. And I'm using drawers for a hamper because it's the only thing I have room for that cannot get ruined, or that the cat doesn't break or anything like that, or that doesn't get dusty as hell. So yeah, this is my tiny little shoebox apartment that I will be sharing with you guys as I clean it. So I hope you enjoy watching me tackle this place. I'm planning on posting every Sunday at 9 o'clock Eastern, 9 a.m. Eastern. So I hope you guys will join me. I hope you'll subscribe if you want to see videos, and hit that little notification bell if you want to get notified when they are posted. And if you enjoyed this video, if you're looking forward to this channel, please give it a big thumbs up because that really supports my channel and helps YouTube send it out to other people who might enjoy it as well. And I will see you guys in the first cleaning video coming soon. So thanks for visiting my channel, and I hope my cleaning motivates you to clean yours. See you soon. Bye.